So hello YouTubers. So here I am set up in the new digs. Yeah, I moved in with my fiance, now wife. We got married a couple weeks ago. And she lives on a working tree farm. So, pardon the sun glare. So, there's palm trees as far as the eye can see. And it's kind of farmish here. But that's okay, there's plenty of room. And room is one thing that was at a premium in my past abode. So I got plenty of room here. The garage I'm working out of is immense. Right now it's pretty packed because I just moved in. It's a little disorganized and we're storing a lot of stuff for the St. Petersburg Astronomy Club while they relocate their mirror lab. So it's a little cramped in there, a little crowded. But a lot of my projects are here, but I got the easy up outdoors, so I got plenty of room to work. Got my workbench out there, threw a coat of paint on it, a couple coats of paint, just to smarten it up. I'll probably, I'm protected from the weather and chemicals. I'll probably repaint it from time to time just to smarten it up. The kilns are over here underneath this tarp until I can get a place set up for them. The fume hood's under there too, but it may come out soon now that I've got the workbench and the easy up set up. So I've got a lot of gold refining projects that have been on hold during this move and marriage and honeymoon. They're about to come back to the front burner here soon. A lot of other projects going on. If you've been on my website, you've probably seen a lot of them. I mean, here's my CNC mill, my wood pile CNC mill. That's set up. Not working yet, but set up. Here's Al, the astrograph, which I've been making some modifications to. It now has a hard shell light shield instead of a fabric one. And I'll post some updates on that. Get a little work done on Al. And I got a big ass fan back here to keep me cool in the warm weather. So that's nice. And got all the other tools back there from the old shop and a refrigerator. Since I'm pretty far from the main house out here in this workshop, it's nice to have a little refrigerator out here. So I can just keep going without having to head in whenever I'm thirsty. Here's my Los Mandy mount, G11 mount. One of my projects in the future is I'm going to build a folding tripod to put this on. This will probably get permanently mounted here somewhere in the tree farm, but I'd like to be able to make it more portable, so I'm probably going to build a folding tripod for it, so watch for that project in the future. And behind it is my telescope mirror blank grinding machine, so it's all kind of jumble in here at the moment, but it's coming along, and new videos on all my projects will be coming soon now that I'm pretty much moved in and set up. Oh, and I put wheels on my ancient table saw too. I was just going to sell it for scrap because it was so hard to move and I didn't use it that often. But then I thought, you know what? If I put wheels on it and I could just wheel it out of the way when I don't need it, when it's in the way or when I want to use it outdoors, it'd make it a lot more useful. So I put wheels on it. So there's one little project completed already in my new shop. So I haven't disappeared, haven't gone anywhere. Things are just a little disorganized. Man, I've got a lot of stuff. Moving this wasn't fun. But I've got space and a whole list of projects I want to work on. So keep watching. More videos will be coming in the near future. And thanks for your support. Have a good one.